In this video, I will show you how to delete custom AI character in Facebook Messenger app. Let me show you how. Open up your Facebook Messenger app. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and look for the AI Messenger character. I'm going to go ahead and select this as an example. The next thing you want to do right here is to simply, you can see the AI chat character right here. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Click on Edit AI. The next thing you want to do, you can see delete button right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on delete. Change who can see your AI instead. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on delete AI. And you are done. By the time you go back to your messenger and you refresh, you find out that the AI character messenger will no longer be found right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Facebook Messenger app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.